Looking for a job that offers great pay and exciting opportunities? Here's your chance to work with top industries in Poland. Earn up to PLN 5,940 a month while gaining valuable experience in one of Europe's most dynamic work environments. And here's the best part. Your accommodation is covered by the employer, making it easier for you to settle in and focus on what matters. What do you need to get started? A communicative level of English to navigate your new role, a valid passport with at least 15 months left, and the drive to thrive in a fast-paced environment. Poland is calling, and it's your time to answer. This isn't just a job, it's a gateway to personal growth, professional development, and a brighter future. Don't wait. Apply now with Stellar Migration and take the first step toward an incredible career in Poland. Your journey begins today.